m into you have this, okay. So m into f of x minus 1 plus n into f of minus x is equal to 2 modulus x plus 1. If I replace x is equal to 2, what I get here? M into f of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus n into f of minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 to the mod 2 value 2. If I substitute x is equal to 2, mod 2 value 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So you got m into f of 1 plus n into f of minus 1 is equal to 5. If I replace x is equal to 1 in this first equation, if I replace x is equal to 1, replacing here. So what I get here? M into f of 1 minus 1 is 0 plus f of minus 1, yeah, x is equal to minus 1, correct, because minus 2 value 5. Sahi. F value minus 1 you take here, x place minus 1, so you get as minus 2 plus n into minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So I get f of 1 minus into minus plus. So this is equal to 2 times of modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. So you get as m times of f of minus 2 value 5 plus n times of f of 1 is equal to 3. This is you are going to get second equation. So here what I have to get is, what? F of 1 they given 1, f of 1 they given 1. So this equation will change now. So this equation I can write as f of minus 2 is 5. Okay, it's over. This one, no? This is I can change as, second equation I can change as m into 5 into m, 5m plus n into f of 1 is 1. F of 1 is 1, f of minus 2 is 5. So this value will be 1. So n is equal to 3, second equation. First equation you will get as f of 1 is 1. So m into 1 is m plus f of minus 1 is how much? Okay, I did any mistake here. 2. ये minus 2 होगा ना, ये minus 2 होगा 2 में. F of minus 2 value is how much? Already 5 this is, so 5n. 5n is equal to 5. This is the first equation. Actually we are substituting x plus 2, so you get 2 minus 1 is 1 and here minus 2. So f of minus 2 is 5. So now these two equations you have to simplify. You have to get which quotient? M plus n. So add them, that better. So if you add these both equations, what you get here? 6m plus 6n is equal to 8. M plus n, x6 common out, m plus n is equal to 8 by 6. So this is cancelled 4 times and this is cancelled 3 times. M plus n is 4 by 3. Okay? Should I explain? If f of x is odd, f of x is symmetric about x is equal to 2. See, f of x is odd, rule is what? What is the rule for f of x is odd? F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Symmetric meaning is what? Symmetric meaning is, symmetric कभी होता है ना? If is even function, this will be symmetric. About origin, suppose modulus function is symmetric about y-axis. Like is saying that its function is symmetric about x is equal to 2 line. Is given that x is equal to 2 line, it is symmetric. Means at this is the 2 point, x is equal to 2 line this is. So some distance here and some distance after, the graph will be repeated. Equal distance they will be have, this side equal distance, this side equal distance will be there. Means f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x minus 2. Some distance plus, some distance minus. Okay. F of 2 plus x is equal to f of 2 minus x. That is the meaning of symmetry. Symmetric about x is equal to 2 means at 2 x is equal to 2, some distance x distance back or x distance front, the graph will be same. It will be symmetric. It may be the distance, it can be anything. So f of 2 plus x is equal to f of 2 minus x. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Then he is asking to find the period. Right? How to find? Now replace to get here x. Replace x as x, replace x, you can replace with 2 plus x. X replaced with 2 minus x. Okay, we'll go for it. So what I get here, f of 2 plus 2 minus x, that is 4 minus x, is equal to f of 2 minus of 2 minus x. So f of 4 minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, f of x you got. That's what I required. But period I want to find. F of x I got. He did not ask you f of 2 how much or f of 4 is how much. If they ask you f of 4 is how much, then answer is over. But here not like. He is asking about period. Period means I have to take f of x plus t. F of x plus t is equal to f of x. Then t is the period. But I have to get here plus. If I want to get plus, x should be replaced with minus x. I know. X should be replaced with what? Minus x. If I replaced with minus x, what I get here? F of 4 plus x is equal to f of minus x. Right? अच्छा. But again a problem आ गया इधर. बट इसने दिया है कि रूल क्या है, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So what I can write here? Minus f of x. But still any use? Let's see. F of 4 plus x is equal to minus of f of x. Minus f of x, I'll send this side. Then what I get here? F of 4 plus x plus f of x is equals to 0. Correct? See, this is I wrote from here. This one. Same, see, the pattern is repeated now. आपको पता है जब x है, x plus 4 है, x is there, something is there, then you need to immediately change the other one. So x should be replaced with what?
4 plus x.
X should be replaced with other one. If you have f of x with connection with anyone, the other one should be replaced. So I am going to replace it. Okay, replace. So if I replace, what I am going to get it? What I will get? I will write here. If I replace that, I will get f of, tell me, f of 4 plus 4 plus x, 8 plus x, plus f of 4 plus x, 4 plus x is equals to 0. But from here, I can say f of 4 plus x is what? Minus f of x. Okay. Minus f of x. From here, this is minus f of x. So f of 8 plus x minus f of x is equals to 0. If I send that side, f of 8 plus x is equal to f of x. Came to this format. So t is equal to 8. इसमें बता था. See, f of x is odd function, so f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Symmetric about x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 line, some distance front you go, front means addition, some distance back you go, that is subtraction. Means you do 2 plus x, 2 is you are 2 plus x something, 2 minus x something, the image should be same, then only it is symmetric. So we are writing f of 2 plus x is equal to f of 2 minus x. So x is replaced with 2 minus x by, I want to make it here x. So I made it 2 minus x. So f of 4 minus x is equal to f of 2 minus of 2 minus x. So f of x I got. अच्छा, I got f of x is this. But actually period के लिए क्या है, f of x plus t is equal to f of x. But I have minus. So minus से कतरा है. तो you have to change minus. So x should be replaced with minus x. अच्छा, आपने x को minus x से replace किया, तो f of 4 plus x is equal to f of minus x I got. But I have to get plus x. Again I came to here, f of minus x equal to minus f of x is the rule. So applied here. And I had sent it here. So f of 4 plus f of x is equal to 0. जब भी f of x के साथ कोई भी दूसरा फंक्शन अंदर होता है, वो इक्वेशन बनाता है, तो x को दूसरे से रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है. तो वो कौन सा है, x को रिप्लेस करना है 4 प्लस एक्स से. तो हमने रिप्लेस किया, तो रिप्लेस करके देखें तो f of 8 प्लस एक्स प्लस एफ ऑफ 4 प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, हमको ऐसा पता चला f of 4 प्लस एक्स इज माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स. तो इधर भी इसको रिप्लेस किया, तो इसको उधर भेज दिया. f of 8 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स. इसका स्वरूप मिल गया, जो मिलना था वो मिल गया. तो 8 इधर क्या है, t किधर क्या है, 8 है. तो 8 इज इक्वल टू t, t इज इक्वल टू 8.